Welcome back. KL Tower further bolstered its position as one of the iconic landmarks in Kuala Lumpur after the fireworks display held in conjunction with the New Year 2025 was recognized in the Malaysia Book of Records as the highest altitude tower fireworks show in Malaysia. Bernama KL Chief Executive Officer Nazli Saad said the colourful performance also made its own history as it was the first time it had been held since the 7th tallest telecommunications tower in the world and the tallest in Southeast Asia was completed 3 decades ago.
Kita amat gembira sekali kerana di Malaysia saya rasa kita syarikat yang pertama mengadakan persembahan bunga api daripada ketinggian 307.61 iaitu daripada aras tanah dan 401.61 daripada aras laut, yang mana saya rasa sebelum ni tidak ada lagi syarikat yang buat persembahan bunga api pada ketinggian sebegitu rupa.
Met at the 2025 New Year's Eve celebration, he said about 3,000 visitors from home and abroad had gathered to witness the 2 fireworks displays at the lower level and the top of the KL Tower. The first fireworks display took place with a mesmerizing explosion of fireworks for 2 minutes while being presented with a beautiful view of Kuala Lumpur. The second fireworks display was held at the Tower Terrace for 4 minutes against the backdrop of the KL Tower.
Semua orang tahu Menara Kuala Lumpur merupakan satu menara ikonik, satu kebanggaan untuk negara kita Malaysia, dan ialah salah satu destinasi wajib untuk pelancong daripada luar negara. Dan harapan kita sebetulnya melalui inisiatif yang kita buat pada malam ini, sama-sama kita dapat menyambut tahun baru dan dapat menarik lebih ramai lagi pengunjung baik dari dalam atau luar negara datang ke sini berkunjung menikmati bersama-sama apa itu nikmat sambutan malam tahun baru.
In addition to the fireworks display, the 2025 New Year's Eve celebration at KL Tower was also graced with a musical performance by famous violinist Martin Lui, as well as a light show that illuminated the structure of the tower.